Welcome to Frontiers of Technology, the podcast of the Inter-American Defense Board. In this episode, we analyze the use of drones and intelligent swarms, tactics of the future, as an emerging technological capability within modern military and security operations. This analysis evaluates how these technologies are transforming the contemporary battlefield through the use of artificial intelligence, multi-domain operations, tactical applications, risks, challenges, among others. In addition, we will explore how drones and intelligent swarms, within the new tactics of the future, decisively influence modern combat. Let's follow on social media and visit our website, available in the description of this podcast. The contemporary operational environment is characterized by the need to act with speed, precision, and informational superiority. In this context, drones have evolved from simple surveillance platforms to become fundamental systems for the execution of military, security, and intelligence operations, among others. Currently, this technological evolution is moving towards the concept of intelligent swarms, where multiple drones operate in a coordinated manner, using artificial intelligence algorithms, communication networks, and real-time data processing. This capability significantly increases operational efficiency, adaptability, and responsiveness, consolidating itself as one of the main tactics of the future in multi-domain scenarios. As a result, a strategic transformation is taking place, moving from the use of individual platforms to the use of smart grids capable of dominating the modern battlefield. Intelligent swarms are sets of drones that operate in a coordinated and semi-autonomous way, share information in real time, dynamically adapt to the operational environment, and execute tasks distributed according to the assigned mission, constituting an advanced evolution in the use of drones within modern operations. That is, they function as an intelligent collective system, where each unit contributes to the common goal. Countries such as the United States, a pioneer in the use of drone technology since 2001, Israel with intensive use in operations in the Gaza Strip, Ukraine and Russia, which have used them on a large scale since 2022, as well as Iran, recognized for the development of kamikaze drones, Turkey and China are clear examples of how this technology is already actively used in contemporary conflicts and continues to evolve and develop. Key capabilities, intelligent swarms, provide operational capabilities that transform the way military and security operations are conducted, such as enemy saturation, where they overcome traditional defense systems through multiple and simultaneous attacks. Operational redundancy, where the loss of a unit does not compromise the mission. Expanded coverage, with simultaneous surveillance and monitoring in multiple areas. Quick decision, using artificial intelligence to reduce reaction times. Operational persistence, which is the ability to maintain continuous presence in the area of interest. Tactical applications, the use of intelligent swarms covers multiple operational applications, including reconnaissance and intelligence, ISR, precision coordinated attacks, electronic warfare, urban and asymmetric operations, protection of critical infrastructures, support for multi-domain operations, among others. Risks and challenges, despite their advantages, intelligent swarms present important technological, doctrinal, and ethical challenges, such as vulnerability to cyber attacks and electronic warfare, possible use by non-state actors, dependence on communication and energy networks, ethical dilemmas related to lethal autonomy, and the need for doctrinal and regulatory updating. Roadmap. To achieve a better evolution and implementation of drones and smart swarms, a progressive and structured development is required, which allows their capabilities to be integrated efficiently within modern operations. Thus, in the short term, it seeks to integrate drones into tactical units, train personnel in operation and maintenance, and develop a basic doctrine for their operational use. In the medium term, the objective will be to implement semi-autonomous swarms and integrate them with command and control systems, also strengthening cybersecurity and electronic warfare capabilities. In the long term, the development of fully autonomous swarms with advanced artificial intelligence, integrated into multi-domain operations and complemented by defense capabilities against enemy swarms, is projected. In this regard, the Inter-American Defense Board held the Forum of Experts on Drone Operations, which took place in the Republic of Ecuador from April 13th to 17th, 2026, with the participation of 14 countries, effectively contributing to the knowledge of this important issue worldwide. Conclusions. It can be concluded that drones and intelligent swarms represent a technological and tactical revolution in modern conflicts. Its use allows us to achieve greater decision-making speed, adaptability, and informational superiority. Likewise, the effectiveness of these capabilities will depend on the integration of technology, doctrine, training, and cybersecurity. finally, states that develop and integrate these capabilities will gain a decisive strategic advantage in future scenarios. In this way, drones and intelligent swarms as tactics of the future play a key role in next-generation conflicts. In this episode, the importance of technological capabilities in the use of intelligent swarms in multi-domain operations has been analyzed. Thank you very much for joining us. Don't miss our next podcast episode, which will be about hypersonic weapons and the new global technological race in June 2026. Let's continue to explore the frontiers of technology. See you soon. Inter-American Defense Board, promoting and strengthening hemispheric confidence and security.